The Meghalaya SSA Teachers, under the banner of Meghalaya SSA School Association today, said that they will continue with their non-cooperation movement against the state government till all their salaries are cleared by the state government. Speaking to the media at Shillong Press Club, the leaders of this association demanded that the state government should release the additional fund of 104 crore rupees towards payment of the salaries of SSA teachers in the state.
Non-cooperation movement which we have launched during December last year, it will continue. It will continue till the state government release our pending salary. We just want to remind our beloved SSA teachers that the non-cooperation movement against all the activities and program of the state government, it will continue till the state government release all our pending salary. After the state government release our pending salary, we will withdraw our non-cooperation movement. Till then, it will be continue as it is. So see, the Honorable Chief Minister is very aware of this. The Education Minister is very aware of this. But we are very surprised why they are trying to mislead the SSA teachers, as I said in particular, and the people of Meghalaya in general. And today, through you, the press and media, both print and electronics, we demand from the state government to immediately release this additional fund amounting rupees 104 crores so that the state project director office will be in position to pay our pending salary, which is pending for almost 5 months.
We are the one who are being deprived of our rights, as has been mentioned by our Sir President. Even the salary also, it has been pending for nearly 5 months now. And it has been since long, right from the time, that is from December onwards. Till now, we have been harassed by the state government in giving us many activities that we have to do and fulfill time and again. And we are the one that time and again we are being deprived of what is due for us, and that is the salary. But time and again, as we see that the government use us in many of the activities that we have to fulfill. Just to name a few, the activities such as teacher self-assessment, then we have the Swachh Vidhyalaya Puraskar, then even the COVID vaccination drive also they involve teachers in it. And also then we have this training on TSAP, to name a few. So we are the one, time and again, we have suffered a lot because just like I've told you about our salary, and then time and again we are being told that this is compulsory that we have to do. So now we are asking the government, okay, time and again we are the one who are being suppressed. So time and again you ask us to go for this training. So who will bond for us regarding the expenditure that we have to go through to all these training and all. Request the government to hear our cry and to deal with our issue, to solve our problem, okay, for this cause, okay, to make themselves available for us, not only to use us many of the times regarding on all these activities that is involved.